Hello, it's Susan, your teacher here at Booked Up English. Let's learn a red word. Red words will help you read. We will stop to think about them. Practice all the red words using the link below. We will do 4 things to learn red words. Listen, say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. Make flashcards to practice. Use a red marker or pencil to help your brain learn these words. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's red word is there. 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 T-H-E-I-R. There. T-H-E-I-R. There. Let's write it. T-H-E-I-R. There. T-H-E-I-R. There. See you soon.